welcome back to TechMaster. Today I will show you how to make an attractive intro for your YouTube video. The intro has all the information about your channel. It has your channel name, your website name, whatever you want to add in it. So we will start making our intro first. So we have to download an app called Legend from the Play Store. Legend. This app, you have to download it. I've already downloaded it. I will go back, then we will go to Legend. Here's the Legend. So it gives you a preset thought, so we have to erase it. I will write my channel's name, TechMaster. Like this, and we'll press this. If you want to play, play. So it gives you a variety of styles and a variety of colors. So like this color and this style and this style and display. In quoted also, dash, framed, tag, cast, stop motion, then point black, then splash, then blink, letter, trailer, joy, in out, sliced, mask, meme. These all are the styles. Then colors, variety of colors. I will put it in display, not display, tag. Yes. Then this color, this, anything you want. It has almost everything. This color is my favorite. Then this, like this, these are all the colors. You have to take it like this. Then if you want to make it in landscape, you can make it in landscape, and in square also. You can get it in 512p, 720p, and 1080p also. So I will take it in landscape. Then you can go back. You can add an image also, like it. I will take this image. That's landscape. You will play it. It will get you the color. I like this one. So it's good. Then you can save it as a video or a GIF. So I will save it as a video. It's building your legend, it's written here. Then so guys, this is all for today. I will meet you next time with new videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.